Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for clicking on this video. It's after 11 in the morning and just waking up not too long, so I do have a few hours to rest before I go out of the house. So I was just thinking of doing something different on my channel. So I have this friend of mine from Kenya. Whenever I visit her, that was in Beirut, whenever I visit her, she'll be like, okay, for example, now we want to hang out and I'll have to go to her, I'll have to go over to her place and we go out together. So whenever I go over to her place, she'll be like, sit down, let me make ugali for you. Every time I visit her, she always do that, and she would prepare ugali for me, and it was very delicious. And I don't know where she is, by the way. It's been a very long time we communicate, and I think the last time we spoke was around if it's not February, it should be March. So I don't know where she is right now, and we've not been talking. Anyways, I'm gonna prepare ugali for myself today, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna prepare it. I have all the recipes that I need to use for the ugali. And by the way, I cover my hair like this whenever I'm sleeping. I used to, use my net, or I just cover my head like this. And this is because I try to put my hair in bantu knots, so had to cover my head like this with this head wrap. So guys, I'm heading over to the kitchen. Hope you guys are going to enjoy watching this video with me. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in the kitchen.